For many of us, riding a motorcycle is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a way of life, a passion, and a freedom that can't be found anywhere else. However, with that freedom comes a great deal of responsibility. Riding a motorcycle is inherently more dangerous than driving a car. So, it's essential to ensure that your bike is always safe to ride. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 ways to ensure that your motorcycle is safe for driving, so you can enjoy the freedom of the open road while staying safe and sound. The first and most important thing you should do is to ensure that your motorcycle is regularly maintained. Just like any other machine, motorcycles require regular upkeep to operate safely and efficiently. This includes things like oil changes, brake checks, tire inspections, and other important maintenance tasks. Make sure to consult your owner's manual for the recommended maintenance schedule and stick to it religiously. One of the most critical components of motorcycle safety is proper tire pressure. Underinflated or overinflated tires can affect your bike's handling and safety. So make sure to check your tire pressure regularly and ensure that they are properly inflated. Next, inspect your brake pads regularly. Worn brake pads can reduce stopping power and compromise safety. Make sure to test your brakes regularly to ensure they are working correctly. In addition to checking your brake pads, you should also inspect your brake lines for leaks, damage or wear. If you notice any issues, have them addressed immediately before hitting the road. Another critical component of motorcycle safety is the chain and sprockets. Check them regularly for wear and tear and make sure to adjust the chain tension as needed. Worn chains or sprockets can affect your bike's performance and safety. You should also regularly check your bike's oil, coolant, brake fluid levels to ensure that they are at the recommended levels. If any fluids are low or dirty, make sure to top them off or have them changed immediately. Inspect your bike's suspension for leaks, damage or wear. If you notice any problems, have them fixed by a qualified mechanic because proper suspension is crucial for safe handling. Check all bolts and fasteners on your bike regularly to ensure that they are tight and secure. Loose bolts or fasteners can compromise your bike's safety, so make sure to tighten them as needed. Finally, make sure to regularly clean your bike. Dirt, dust and debris can accumulate on your bike over time, which can affect its performance and safety. Keeping your bike clean will help to ensure that it runs smoothly and safely. Ensuring that your motorcycle is safe for driving is crucial for your safety and the safety of others on the road. By following these 10 tips, you can ensure that your bike is always ready to take you on your next adventure. Remember, always wear proper protective gear and keep your motorcycle in good condition.